Day on Wall Street yesterday. What happened?
Yes, we did. The Dow was down 27 points, closed at 19,800. McDonald's was off over 0.5% on their earnings, and the energy was the worst performing sector of the day as oil fell almost 1% to $52.75 a barrel on rising U.S. output. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury fell to 2.4%. So, not a great day yesterday.
All right. Let's start with McDonald's. You mentioned it, and that new movie's coming out here shortly. But what's going on with McDonald's?
The new movies. Well, McDonald's global same-store sales rose 2.7%, but U.S. same-store sales fell 1.3%. Their global sales increase was the strongest in 5 years, and the drop in U.S. sales comes 1 year after the launch of their all-day breakfast menu. All-in revenue fell 5% to $6.03 billion, mostly due to currency issues. They made a profit of $1.19 billion, or $1.44 a share. So I guess after the initial surge of the all-day breakfast, it kind of pulled back a little bit.
All right. That's McDonald's. What about Aetna and Humana?
Well, a federal judge blocked the proposed merger between the large health insurance companies on antitrust grounds. The judge said the deal could lead to higher prices and less services, especially for seniors. We are also expecting a ruling on the proposed merger between Anthem and Cigna soon.
Mm-hmm. All right, that's them. And then that's interesting. And then this Foxconn is a really interesting story.
Right, it's a big story, really. Foxconn is considering building a flat panel screen factory in the U.S. if they get enough incentives. They have been considering the move for years because it's so expensive to ship the screens. Foxconn is looking at Pennsylvania, but other states are open. Foxconn said they would spend $7 billion and hire between 30 and 50,000 people.
Yeah, it's interesting. I guess Missouri is not on that list because Governor Greitens doesn't like to give corporate welfare to millionaires. So
of course, it'd be nice to get 50,000 jobs, I think, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it would be great, but he drew a line in the sand, so we'll see how firm that line in the sand is. With all that being said, all right, that's Foxconn, which is really interesting. We'll watch that story. All right, markets today. How's it look?
Well, today the Dow looks up 20 points. We get a look at existing home sales today and a lot more earnings. The next few days will give us a look at how companies performed over the past quarter. So we'll have to see how that all comes out.
All right. Scott Carothers with Stifel Nicholas. Have yourself a good day. Talk to you tomorrow.
All right. Sounds good.
All right. Kelly, we've got some bad news here.
What?
There was a beer recall.
No.
We'll tell you the gory details.
How's Willie going to handle that?
We'll tell you.